So this is our project, guys. First of all, it will ask us to log in or sign up. We will add our mobile number and click on sign up button. And as we already have created our account, it will redirect us to login page. Here we will add that same mobile number and click on login, and so it will send us an OTP. Yeah, here it is redirecting to verify the captcha, to verify that it is not a robot and we are actually human. Yeah, we have received an OTP. We will copy that OTP and validate, and we have successfully logged in. This is our home page. So we click on our menu items. Here you can see all the pizzas and their prices. Like this is the detailed page of particular pizza. Here you can see price, calories and other details. You can add it to cart to buy or dine out option, and you can also add to favorites if you like it very much, and see reviews of other people who have given reviews. So now here you can see the favorites, your favorite items. Here you can see we got that pizza we recently added to the favorite. And now we see, go to the cart. Here you can see we have ordered 2 pizzas, so price is 300. And we choose a pickup time or dine out, like time when we will go to pick that order or dine in. And then we here, as we right now don't have any rewards, so points are 0, but if you have any rewards you can claim those rewards and amount will be deducted, and then you can check out. And your order is placed completely. And like here are the rewards and balance. You can see your balance and rewards you have earned. And here we are planning to integrate payment gateway so that user can directly add money to his wallet from his bank account. Now this is the community page where users can post about different items they like and comment and share their views regarding the items. So here is the page to upload or post any item. You choose a photo and enter a comment, and this is the feature to search items within your budget range, the budget filtering feature. So let's say your budget is 30, then you will see all the items which are below 30, and if you are satisfied with your menu, you can search particular items too. And then if you are satisfied with the menu, you can find nearby Zorko outlets. It takes your current location and finds all the nearby outlets of Zorko. We also provide their detailed address and distance from you. We also give their mobile number so you can directly call them. And if you are new in the city and you don't know the address, you can find it in Google Maps and show like exact directions. You can get exact directions to reach that location. And yeah, this is the last feature, like accounts. You can give feedback to our app and see about us page. This is our about Zorko page. This is all about our product. Thank you on behalf of Team Tripod.